She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara, back with another video. So today I'm finally doing another makeup tutorial. It's been a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial. Because I mean, I guess we could just blame life, because that's basically the reason why I have a lot going on. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram name below, and then when you go to that page, it's my modeling page and my hair page, like when I do wigs and stuff. That page will be linked in my bio, or I think it is linked in my bio. So make sure that you guys subscribe, because I'm at 75 subscribers right now. And I'm trying to get to 100. I really want to get to 1,000. I might be after this video. Who knows? So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to clean up my brows. And like, they're not that bad. I got my eyebrows arched like almost 2 weeks ago. I just got cleaned up a little bit. And then I'll be back. Most likely one eye will probably be done already, because I just want to make sure that I'm gonna continue and finish this look, because if I do a look and I filmed it, I'm gonna be pissed. So I'm gonna just do my eyebrows and one eye off camera, and then if everything's, you know, came out decent, you will see me in the next clip. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna use this to prime my eyelid so my eyeshadow will stick to my eyelid. So now I'm going to go in with my Benye Luxury Powder, and I'm going to set that concealer so it doesn't crease or anything. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take like that light like orange shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. So now I'm going to take this dark fuchsia color, and I'm going to blend that in my crease, and I'm going to blend that color and my transition color together. So next I'm going to take this brown shade, and I'm going to put that also in my crease, and I'm going to blend the fuchsia color and the brown together, and I'm just trying to like do an ombre effect. So as you can see, I am cutting my crease. I'm not doing like an ordinary crease. I'm like kind of doing like a winged cut crease. And I'm just going to keep, you know, cleaning it into my liking. And I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier. And I'm going to set it with the same powder that I had used earlier. So I'm going to take this loose pigment, this eyeshadow pigment from Lust and Loyalty Cosmetics. I'm using the first one on the top, and it's like a very pretty like pink light champagne color. So I'm going to use that as my base before I apply my orange glitter. So next I'm going to do a wing liner with my Inglot eyeliner, and I'm going to use an angle brush to achieve the eyeliner, the wing eyeliner. And the reason why I'm doing it before the glitter, because I didn't want to put glitter right there if it's going to get covered up by the eyeliner. So I'm just going to achieve that first, and I am going to go back in to clean up the liner, because I will get glitter on it, and I just want to make sure that I achieve that look first so I know where to put the glitter. So next I'm going to go in with this adhesive glue, and I'm going to take that orange glitter from the same company from the pigment, Lust and Loyalty. I'm going to list all my products I'm using down in the description box, and I'm going to just fill up, you know, the empty space. And also, like I said before, I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner, because obviously you can see it's very messy, and I'm going to clean the edges up with a makeup wipe. So now I'm going to use my eyelash in the style Stallion. My lashes will be available soon. And I am going in with my Moran Skin Prep as my primer. you already know what foundation I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using the Becca 24-hour wear, but I'm also going to be mixing that with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, not the concealer, the foundation. And I think that's in NC45. And NC45 is like, now it's too light for my skin, so I'm going to use like the bronzer and stuff like that to warm up my skin. And I'm going to be using the same concealer I used earlier to prime my eyelid for my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, just everywhere. And I'm going to blend that out with a Real Technique brush. And I'm going to also set it with, I believe, oh yeah, the Benye powder that I always use. So now for my under eye and my waterline, I'm going to go in with this brown eyeshadow that I used earlier. And I'm going to go with this black eyeliner to smoke up my waterline. So now I'm going to go in with these two face powders. They're both by MAC. One of them is in Give Me Some, which is the one I'm using right now. And then to bronze, I'm going to be using NC46. So now I'm putting like the slightest amount of blush on my cheeks from Beauty Treats. And I'm going to use like this peachy color that I always use because it goes really well with my skin tone. And now I'm going to be using the Morphe and Bretman Rock no, this is the highlighter, the highlight palette. And I think I'm using like a combination of like all the powders together because I just love the finish of it. Because some of them are like too icy and some of them are like too brown. So I just use all of them that's in the palette. So for lips, I use this brown lip liner from NYX, two liquid lipsticks from Anastasia, and I use the MAC's clear gloss. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna list everything in the description box so you guys can see where I got everything from. Alright ladies, so this is the finished look and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on the next one.